Have you ever wondered about the powerful, large guns used in military operations? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the howitzer, a powerful type of artillery weapon. Simply put, a howitzer is an artillery weapon specifically designed to fire explosive shells. Its most distinctive characteristic is firing shells in a high, arcing ballistic path. This unique trajectory allows it to shoot over significant obstacles like hills, forests, or even tall buildings. Unlike a conventional cannon, which typically fires its projectiles on a relatively flat trajectory, howitzers shoot upwards. Howitzers usually feature a relatively short barrel when compared to their large caliber or bore diameter. This design results in shells having a lower initial muzzle velocity, meaning they don't exit the barrel as fast. However, this low velocity allows the shells to descend at a very steep angle, hitting targets from above. Howitzers are incredibly versatile, using various types of shells, most commonly high explosive or HE rounds. They can also fire smoke shells to create visual screens, obscuring enemy vision and movements on the battlefield. Additionally, illumination shells are used to light up vast areas of the battlefield, especially during night operations. Modern howitzers are highly advanced, capable of deploying precision-guided munitions for extreme accuracy on specific targets. The concept of howitzers has a rich and long history, with roots tracing back to the 17th century. They were initially developed for siege warfare, allowing armies to lob shells over fortress and castle walls. World War I dramatically accelerated the development and widespread adoption of howitzer designs. They became indispensable for bombarding entrenched enemy positions and breaking stalemates in trench warfare. During World War II, howitzers further evolved, becoming even more versatile and integral to military strategies. They provided essential indirect fire support across all major fronts, proving their critical value. Traditionally, howitzers were, and many still are, towed into their firing positions by trucks or other military vehicles. This setup process, involving unhitching and leveling the gun, usually requires significant time to deploy and prepare for firing. However, a major advancement in modern artillery is the self-propelled howitzer, meaning they can move on their own. These powerful weapons are mounted on wheeled or tracked chassis, offering greatly enhanced mobility on the battlefield. This mobility enables crucial shoot-and-scoot tactics, where the howitzer fires its rounds and then quickly relocates to avoid counterfire. Modern howitzers are equipped with highly sophisticated digital fire control systems. These advanced computers swiftly calculate exact trajectories, ensuring pinpoint accuracy and rapid response times. The primary operational role of a howitzer is providing crucial indirect fire support to friendly ground troops. They effectively suppress enemy positions, allowing friendly forces to safely advance or withdraw without heavy opposition. Howitzers can also be used to destroy enemy fortifications, bunkers, armored vehicles, and other critical targets. On occasion, howitzers engage in intense, long-range artillery duels with opposing enemy gun positions. To fully understand howitzers, let's briefly differentiate them from other common types of artillery. Cannons, for instance, typically have much longer barrels and fire their shells with flatter, more direct trajectories. They are often used for direct fire engagements or to hit distant targets with very high velocity and destructive force. What about a mortar? It also fires shells in a high arcing trajectory, much like a howitzer. However, mortars have very short barrels and launch their shells almost straight up into the air. They generally have a much shorter maximum range compared to the impressive reach of howitzers. But on the flip side, mortars are incredibly portable, lightweight, and very quick to set up and fire. Therefore, the howitzer uniquely bridges the operational gap between the flat-firing cannons and the high-angle, short-range mortars. Its unparalleled ability to lob heavy shells over diverse obstacles makes it an indispensable asset on any battlefield. From the earliest ancient sieges to the complex demands of modern warfare, the howitzer has continuously adapted and evolved.
Indeed, the howitzer remains a crucial, powerful, and adaptable cornerstone of modern artillery forces worldwide.
Thanks for watching. We hope you've gained a clearer understanding of this amazing and vital weapon system.